Let's talk about a new problem in units and dimensions, and the problem goes like this. A new unit of length is chosen such that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. So we have defined a new unit of length such that the speed of light in vacuum comes out to be 1. So what is the distance between sun and the earth in terms of this new unit of length essentially if light takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to cover the distance? So we have to find the distance between sun and earth in terms of this new unit of length when we have been given the light takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to travel that same distance. So starting off the calculation, I can say that speed of light clearly now it's given in the question, it's 1 meter per second, provided I am taking this new meter as my new definition of length, which is clearly significantly large compared to the older unit of length. So time taken by light is also given as 8 minutes 20 seconds, which upon conversion into seconds gives me 500 seconds as the answer. So now once I have been given the speed of light and I have been given the time taken by the light to travel the distance, I can easily calculate distance as speed into time. So that's what I have written here, distance is speed into time, which comes out to be 1 meter per second multiplied by 500 seconds. So over here I can simply get the distance as 500 meters. So my result of this is that the distance between the sun and earth in terms of this new unit of length is 500. Now clearly I have written meter here just for the correlation, but you must understand this meter is the new unit of length, which is clearly much larger than the meter we understand in our day-to-day lives. So I hope this is very clear to you. Thank you.